So in this video, I will show you another augmentation technique to link the year on year. Okay, so for example, the current year to the last year for the growth rate, and then the current year to the next year for the waterfall analysis or the year on year difference analysis. Okay, so in here I will add another group called the TTM group here. So TTM is the 12 months from uh, June, June lies through 2024 to June 25. So basically, you can see here the unique count of month is 12 months. So it's live for live with the other period, but then the starting point is not from January as the other periods or other full years, but we just borrow the seven the 6 month from the previous years, and then the to add with the 6 month of the current year to get the full period, right? To get the life for life, and then you can see that these two will be the duplicate uh, mm, uh, periods. And then if you want to display the monthly number or quarterly number, you have to get rid of those guys because they are duplicate numbers. Okay, so now in order to uh, in order to link those guys, so you can see here this one, the next one will be this one, this 23 will be the 24, 24 will be TTM 25. Okay, so and then that's it, no next. And then this one will be the next YTD 24 with the next of 20, the next one will be 25. So basically there are two groups, group number one here and then group number two here. Okay, so we will have to use Alteryx to compute the group dynamic automatically. You don't uh, specify it in manually, like a copy here, copy here, copy here. Okay, so that's bring us to the first part, which is the uh, FY part. You can use sec as well, which is the section, but then you can use part as well. So if the fy start with ytd, then this one is part b, else will be part a. And if okay, so this one is just to divide the historical periods into two parts. Again, you can see here a and b. Okay, and then the second one would be to connect them. All the one in part A will be connected, and then all the one in part B will be connected. So I will do this. I will have to use the multi-row formula because I have to link the current row with the period row. Okay, so I change this one into fy link, and I change this one into a string because I need the string of this from fy string of this. Okay, so the first thing I need to do is just to uh, select this one because it will split the linkage into two parts, and then the second one uh, the second one would be the expression to link. So in the previous one, actually I will take the fy from the previous row one, minus one fy. You can see here also. And then the second one would be the plus one. So I just copy this one plus one. I separate them by the vertical bar like this. Okay. Okay, so after this, if I run the workflow first, then you can see here for this one it has no beginning, and this one has no ending. So in order to make it better in terms of like result, and then I will do this. If this guy is null, then I will make the XX in here, so to make sure that the result look regular. Similarly, if this guy is null also, then I also make the XX in front, else I will bind to this expression. Okay, so this one give me the better result, uh, so I can read. Okay, so you can see here. Uh, okay, this one is a little bit after the multi-formula, the order is a little bit uh, difficult to read. So I just sort the one again. Okay, so in here you can see the FY23. Then the link to the previous year is now. It's XX is not available. But then on the next year will be FY24. So similarly, this one will be the next year. The last year will be 23, and then the next year will be TTM 25. This one, the next year 24, but then last year 24, the next year no more. Okay, so similarly, you can read the block number 3. So after this, I will split them out in two parts, and then use this one link, and then I use a vertical bar to split into two parts. Okay, so you can see here like this. Okay, so now you have the two parts here, and then you know this one is the last year and this one is the next year. I just rename them a little bit for you to. So I won't use this one FY anymore, FY link anymore, but I will use this one FY last, FY next. I bring this guy in front next to the FY tag here, so that you can see the you can compare like for like. Okay, so this is the picture you want to see. You want that FY23 last year not available. FY23 next year is FY24. Okay, so similarly, you can read the following rows with the same method, but the point here is you can link the current year with the next year and then the last year as well. Okay, so that's the first part for augmentation. So whenever you want to augment the year on year for the year on year analysis, you need to uh, do two things. The first thing is to divide the period into the part A and part B, and the second thing is just to link them, copy the rows in each part.